Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be doing a room called Lo-Fi from Tryhackme, and it was released just 3 days ago. It's a super easy room, so we'll just get into it now. So if we go to Tryhackme, it says access this challenge by deploying the machine. So we'll start the machine first, and it says navigate to the following URL using the attack box and find the flag in root of the file system. As it gives hint that this room is related to LFI. It says you can check out similar content on Tryhackme, LFI path traversal and file inclusion. Welcome back. So the machine has started, and as I said earlier, this is a super easy room, so we'll not try to complicate things, and we'll go with the nmap scan first. Paste the IP, and there you go. Okay, it quickly gives me back the result which says port 22 and ATR open. So it says navigate to the following URL. We'll copy the URL and open it in our browser on our virtual machine. When we go to the main page, we see there is a video line there. There is a link to YouTube video, and we have few extra pages, and we'll try to open these so we don't miss anything in this box. Alrighty, we see that other pages does exist, and they have the same kind of format where they have a YouTube link and a YouTube video embedded on their page. We also notice one of the thing which is very interesting on these pages, that a PHP file is being called in each URL. We immediately think of LFI or RFI attack whenever we see something like that. If we go to the OWASP page, we'll see how can we test for the local file inclusion attack, what it is. And local file inclusion, just to give a high level background, it's the process of including files that are already locally present on the server. So what's happening in this case is when it's calling, let's say, relax.php, sleep.php, the files are being hosted on the same server, and that's being called by the website. Now, what would happen if we try to call something else instead of the genuine files or the legit files the server is calling? We can try to read files on the server. We'll try to search for the payloads for LFI, which can help us with this particular scenario. And as we can see, we can access the etc/passwd file here. Now, next we know there is a flag lying in the root folder of the server. So we'll try with /root/root.txt. It doesn't work, but it says the find the flag in the root of the file system. So what if we try to tweak it a bit and just try to access flag, and there we go. So yeah, this one was a very basic room about LFI, but there are more rooms available on Tryhackme. I'll link them down below. So if you want to learn more about LFI attacks, I would definitely suggest you to check out these rooms, and as these can help you with your web application assessment methodology. For more beginner friendly tips, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment if you want to learn about a specific topic. I can try to make a video about it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.